Hello guys, welcome to Playstopedia. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about for Accenture format of stream assessment. So before joining, after joining the Accenture, you will provide some trainings related to some technologies. So before that, you Accenture send one mail regarding survey mail, which consists of some technologies like Informatica, Salesforce, ServiceNow, SAP, testing Java, .NET like that. So in this video where I will tell you about like how this format of stream assessment work in Accenture. So let's start this video. First of all, I will tell you like how many streams Accenture currently providing to its new joiners. So here you can see the streams like testing, Java, SAP, ABAP, data analytics, big data, data stage plus W, Informatica, .NET, Oracle, PL SQL, SFDC, SAP Basis, SAP MM, Oracle Apps, SAP SD, Mainframe or Digital Fedman. So currently these streams are provided to new joiners. So let's start the format of exam. So this consists of like particular two formats are there for stream training in Accenture. So I will tell you about first case one. So first case you will get two MCQ exam. Like first in a first MCQ exam you will get 20 questions of 40 marks, like 2 marks each question. So you need to get 60% to qualify the exam. Okay. So in MCQ2 also it's a consists of 20 questions and 40 marks. Also you need to get 60%, means 20 marks in the exam. Okay, so then after we will calculate the overall total of the marks. Then if you get around 40 marks, like MCQ1 plus MCQ2 by 2 equals to 40 marks equals to 60%. Then you need to then you need to pass the exam of Accenture stream training. So if you gain less than 60%, so it will not it is not considered for ASE right now. But I prefer that like you can clear the exam in first attempt with 60%. So this one is for case one. Case two is like total four MCQ exams are there, like MCQ1, MCQ2, MCQ3, MCQ4. So it's basically for Java, Stream, SFDC, SAP, .NET Stream like that. So here in MCQ1 you will get 20, 20 questions, 20 question of 20 marks. Like you need to require 10, you need to require 60% in all four MCQ, and after dividing all MCQ you need at least 60%, like 60% in एवरेज. तो आपको 60% आपके मार्क्स होने चाहिए. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ जैसे कि after completing all MCQs, so there is one final assessment is also there, which is called ASA final exam, which consists of like MCQ plus Viva question. So like here 10 MCQs is based upon scenario. So particular scenario is based upon your technology like Java. So they will give you some case and ask some question on it. Same is like a English passage, and also you need to answer given question based upon the given paragraph in the case study. So it consists of 20 marks each. So you need to get 60% in MCQ scenario based question and your Viva uh, in Viva exam. Like Viva marks is consists of 10 marks. So you need to at least 60% if you want to clear the stream training in Accentures. So this one is a full process. Also we have all the trainings materials except data stage and W regarding Java testing, Java, SAP ABP, and except the data stage plus W. All materials are available for you all, but it's not free. So for that you need to subscribe our channel Also you need to join our community with gold memberships. Then we will provide you all the stream training material. It will help you to clear your stream trainings. If you want, you can purchase this and join our community. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you soon.